term our seas, our rights, and our future. And we just stick to what is being dictated in our what is legally ours and what is stated in our law, sir.
What is legally ours must be defended, must be protected, and we should fight it out to the last drop of our blood. Yung legally ours. At kasama po ninyo ako doon. Kami pong lahat sasama sa inyo doon. Si Commodore Tariela po is the head of the WPS Transparency Group Office. But, Captain, he was not as transparent as he should be in explaining to you and to our people that our exclusive economic zone and West Philippine Sea are two different animals. Ang sinasabi po nila, at tama-tama naman po ito, meron na po tayong archipelagic baselines which were defined under Republic Act 9522. Malinaw na malinaw po yun. Walang pagtatalo dun. At mula dun sa archipelagic baselines na yun, madidefine natin ang exclusive economic zone, ang ating contiguous zone, ang ating territorial sea. Lahat po nandun. Ngunit, yun pong arbitral award, ang in-award lang sa atin at nilinaw, yung ating exclusive economic zone. Hindi po ni-rule ng arbitral award yung West Philippine Sea. Dalawang bagay po yun eh. Pinagsasama po nila yun. Alam po ninyo kung ba't tayo nagkakagulo, nagkakaproblema. Meron po tayong mga isla na occupied natin ngayon. Ito yung Kalayaan Island Group. Alam na po ninyo yun. Meron tayong 4 na features in the Kalayaan Island Group. Ito po yung Pagasa, yung Parola, yung Kota, at yung Lankiam. Captain, alam po ninyo yan. Incidentally, Mr. Chairman, itong 4 na features na occupied ng ating bansa, they are way, way beyond our EEZ. Wala po sila sakop ng EEZ. Alam po ba ninyo yun, Captain? Sagutin lamang po ninyo. Alam po ba ninyo na sila po'y wala dun sa limit ng ating exclusive economic zone? Be honest.